In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access battery section. After that, click on performance next to balanced and click on OK in performance mode pop-up in order to activate it. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on, but you can always turn it off by selecting balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!